opened doors I couldn't see. You made a way and rescued me. You took my hurt and gave me joy. Now all I've got, I'll give to you, Lord. You picked me up, turned me around. You set my feet on solid ground. You gave me strength to stand